Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you where to find and install updates to your Windows 11 on your Asus ExpertBook. So all you need to do is to either find it in the settings of your device, which you can do by searching for it, or you can do it just by searching for update. Same thing, okay? In the bottom you'll find the Windows update, and if anything comes up, if you press check for updates, there should be a download button somewhere, but I have downloaded all the updates, so I don't have it. There will be a blue download all button, just press it and you're done. So if you enjoyed this video and it was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.